My name is Nathaniel Morrison from Maxson and Associates. We're working on a ModernFold Encore system, which actually has a 56 STC rating. So you're going to bring this panel out, straighten it out, and if you notice, this is the only one that has a handle on it. Because you're going to have to go back to the wall. Okay. There you go. You go.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, hurry.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Yep. Once you get it away from that panel over there. When you get to this point here, slow down a little bit. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get it close. All right? And give it a little Wheaties push.